Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the background animations in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line app on your phone. After you do this, you can go to Home, go ahead and tap on Home and click on Settings, which you can see on the top right hand corner. Then scroll a little bit down and under General is Chats. Go ahead and tap on Chats. And you can see the background animations option. It will show the background animations in your chat. Your device animation settings must be enabled to change the settings, so go ahead and take care of this. Go ahead and click this button and you can now notice that the background animations will be played. So it will be quite easy and it will be some animations, the plus point, so you can do this. Go ahead and enable this and the animations will be played. So guys, I hope this video about how you can enable the background animations in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.